So what do you think? What do you think, Blitzen?
Meow.
That was a long day, wasn't it? All the goofing around we had to do at the dump station with taking a half hour for the water to get filled.
At least.
And then we had to find Walmart. And then we had to look for a place to camp. And we didn't like the first place that we looked.
Oh, but it seems to be a happy ending.
Yeah, we got a nice place that you can almost see out of that window. Let's go outside. Tried and true. When you don't know where to go to someplace you've been. And it's not the exact place we were last time. We're farther up the road, I believe. But here we are in Quartzsite, Plomosa Road BLM. 14-day maximum stay. Free camping. And this time the hosts weren't there, so we didn't get a permit yet. I imagine somebody will pay a visit. But here we are in this area, and nobody is over here right now. Not in this section. There's somebody over there, and can make out somebody over there. They're in the next row or farther. And then we got that one that just got here. They're pretty far away. I don't think we're gonna bother each other. And there's some people up there. A few here and there scattered around. There seem to be more clusters closer to Highway 95. It's hard to tell where we would have been. If we were in this section, we would have been on the opposite side over there, right along the tree line. Like I said, I think we were that way. And we're also facing the opposite than we were last time. So we'll have the sun setting through our back window. And their front is facing south. You might be able to hear the motor. That's somebody with an ATV. They're out exploring where I can't even see them. So one thing that's the same as that organ pipe cactus is we've got our pretty yellow flowers growing, blooming. So that's a creosote bush. We've got some A little bit of trees here. And you can hear the gravel underfoot. I'm going to turn around this way so that I don't blind you. So we're kind of into the boonies, but not really. I mean, we're outside of town. I guess I wouldn't want to walk it. It's a little far for that, but driving isn't that very far. So I guess our plan right now is 4 days. 4 nights, I should say. But we'll see. Probably depends upon how we're holding up with water and tanks and stuff. We're on day 29 of this trip. Doing all right. Having fun. Oh, and we chose this. I figured this was a campsite because here's a fire ring. Not completely clean, but fairly good. Well, that's what you do out here. You look for a fire ring. You go, well, that's a campsite. And you try not to be too close to other people so that you don't bother them. So that's it for this little talk, and I'll talk again. Bye.